Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope you guys are doing really well. If this is your first time here, I'm Lindy Peters and I'm a financial coach here to help you plan for a brighter future and help you take more control of your hard-earned pennies with budgeting, saving, motivation and guidance. And I'm also sharing my investment journeys with you. In today's video, I'll be having a look at LTC Properties. Now, this is in the REIT sector. Now, I'll be having a look at the company and I'll also be going more into the stocks information for you guys. LTC Properties is a self-administrated real estate investment trust that invests primarily in the senior housing and healthcare properties through triple net lease transactions, mortgage loans and other investments. LTC Property operates in accordance with federal tax law and regulations governing real estate investment trusts, which enables the company's income to be distributed to its stockholders without federal tax liabilities to the company. LTC Property also has announcements in the recent news. One of them has to do with the dividends for the rest of the year, and the other one is the third quarter earnings for this year. Now let's have a look at that dividends. Now, as you can see, for October, November and December, they will still be paying the 90 cents per month per share. So that is great to know for the rest of the year. And in December, we'll find out what they will be paying for the next quarter. Now, LTC is promising their shareholders value. So as you can see, in accordance with the S&P 500, the SNL United REIT, LTC is really doing great. It's not as high as them, but it's not far off, which means the growth of the company has been doing really well over the last couple of years. Now, on the LTC website, there is also an investor department where you can go and have a look at more of the stock information and the investor information, where you can scroll down and see all the latest press releases and the latest on the stock as it is at that point. If you're getting value so far, please smash that like button so it turns blue. This will help me with the YouTube algorithm so that I can help as many people as possible with my content. LTC Properties, ticker symbol LTC. It's going for $34.80 at the moment. If we have a look over the last 5 years, if it just goes back to being around $50, you will be making a profit of over 70% if you buy the stock at the moment. Now, as you guys know, I'm more interested in the dividends. So if we have a look at the dividends, you will see the dividend yield at the moment is 6.55%. which is an annual payout of $2.28. This is a payout ratio of 82%. Now, this is a little bit high, but with coronavirus, a lot of companies have taken quite a lot of hits. They do have a dividend growth of 0 years. Now, I'll be having a look at that in a moment. So the monthly payout is 19 cents, and this is a monthly dividend. So if we have a look at the dividend growth, so the growth for the last year is on 0%, and that's why their growth history is on 0 years. Over the last 3 years, it's a 1.35%. Over the last 5 years, it's a 2.25%. Over the last 10 years, it's a 3.87%. So if we have a look at the dividend history, so since October 2016, there's been no growth on the amount of dividends they are paying every single month, and that's why the growth history is 0 at the moment. As you can see, they started paying dividends in 1992, but at that stage it was quarterly dividends, and they moved over to monthly dividends in 2005. So having a look at Yahoo Finance, you will see the market cap is 1.366 billion. Now, if you have a look at LTC over the last couple of years, you can see they have been growing. There has been some ups and downs, but it's been all going in the right direction over the last few years. If you have a look at the 52-week range, you'll see it's between $24.94 and $52.80. So if we have a look at the earnings, you can see they've beat two of their earnings, but they've also missed. And this one in the second quarter is missed the most, but I think that has more to do with everything going on at the moment. So if we have a look at the financials, you will see over the last few years they have grown every single year. But if we have a look at the earnings, 2018 they did really well, but in 2019 not so much. But if we go have a look at the recommendations, you will see it's mainly a hold, but there is a few buys and a strong buy in there as well. And at the moment, the recommendation rating is a 3.1, which is more of a hold. If we have a look at the analytics price target, you will see it's a low of 30 with a high of 40, which is an average of 35, and we are currently at a 34.8. Now, I've been sharing a lot of information with you about LTC. So this is the dividend yield and this is the PE ratio. Now, I know the PE ratio is a bit high, but in my opinion, LTC is definitely a buy for me. Just a disclaimer, I am not a financial advisor, I'm just a financial coach. So please make sure you always do your own stock research before you invest your money. I'm just sharing my opinion and my investment journey with you, but I'm not a professional investor. I'll leave a link in the description below if you'd like to give me a call to discuss any of the topics in my videos. If you found this video helpful, please give me a thumbs up to let me know, and make sure that you subscribe and ring the bell so you don't miss out on any of my future videos. If you've got any topic requests or any questions for me, please comment below and I'll get back to you personally. Have a lovely day, guys. Bye.